asthmatic patient and wheezing problem, I will give the techniques. The first techniques, inhale to raise your hands up. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do it this one 10 times. Okay, sir. Take a deep inhale. The second technique, take deep inhale. So palm on the floor. Take deep inhale. While exhalation, come on. Inhale to open the chest, to look up, to take a deep inhalation. While going down, exhalation completely. While coming up, inhale to open the shoulders and chest. Do it 5 to 10 times. Now come to the 4 techniques. Exhale, go down to stretch your hands. Inhale to up.